TV ewia donkro kasebo and the brasso say ye de ebesumo ewie ensama obete ni bi ne say Coastal TV yesi wa wenima wa wonia na community connect dwumadia ye sha ase etiefo bekaya nano na ochi etwamu a yede call abra yede call pedu omfanche yede call pedu no afi anase na ochi edi animi Friday yede call abra na eho na yene assemblyman atwetwe nkomo na ode nsem bi ato etiefu anim yebekọ na yakọ akotie bi Nasanya beya mpunto ebeba mfimfin mantem Central Region intini mpemfo a edi anim e ka bia eyeye ede nsem bi aba beto omanfo anim ede asem ena omoka yebekọ na yakọ akotie bi Maminka ose Coastal TV kasieboy etwagu ewo digital channel 514 Facebook ene YouTube nyina enwumere mi amede kasieboy esumu midin ede AFIBA ESSIEN yede aseda ebema National Petroleum Authority so masoya sen ma kasieboy yetume ede bro yewie nso ayesanso de aseda kase ede amadisal gift shop omonsonso asoya sen ene ewie yede kasiebo yede bro Mayen kwaje abua for nkrate o yebesa aba na yede nhwemu abrew
Mido gana biana o fa jebi wi aba besu en fita no pa e say baby shi manga shi
Junior I'm saying so enough for me be the no.
Sister Coach Pa. It's a winning gas.
I'm used to it why. My wife.
Down yankana wa.
Ah, Sister Coach. Use gas. Gas ye fast, ye easy, ye convenient. Wow.
LPG, let me see your hand. Ooh, I got yeah.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we will deliver. Thank you.
Mamisa ma wakwaba emba Coastal TV donkro kasebo eso na yeko yenima na Coastal TV Community Connect dwumadia Coastal TV mpanyfo ayadom ama ya sha ase no yeguso a yekoso na wochi a etwemu Friday anase efiada no yeko pedu ye ne mpanyfo akotwetwe nkomo ma omanfo kwa ma omonso kire omadwen omo haw ene ekwan omonso faso a omobua ma mpuntuo eba omo electoral area efiada edi yenim ya yinso yebekọ abra na ye ne omanfo no akwa nkomo na ye biso omonso se omonso amohaw ne sen ede na ekoyie ede na wose yesesa na ede na wose yehwe na etumpon nti nyame adoma efiede ye atiefo enhwe animu na yebekọ abra ne no omanfo no akwakodi nkomo na ye nyanko ye mpo no ye ne mpanyfo a eka bie eyeyie etwetwe nkomo ye dikan ne assemblyman na wo asem nkwantado electoral area ye no atwetwe nkomo ono so so eyi ensema no ede a kire atiefo me pesa ye beko na yakwa akotie nsema odi tu dwane bi na yato akasebo ne so
Yesha Abra Hwan Keka wa Abra by assembly member Ayun.
Ozikano mechia odikro na nakori adi otoday bien na oba hima na kuta otoday ba asam mbe atemani especially there was so many issue why Abraham ebotwa na lighting system no a problem Abraham ma bo na matisi abohwe Abraham kwanta dasem the okay go of the car the lighting system the share problem abohwe market near what change of water metubo market wo mu toilet ni use water west you problem kaka connect to tum sisi market with toilet no we use electricity abohwe Roman school almost 70 years in school no one painting with that ni NGO fu yin ko share me school no we school na ko wa we kama nsa na chiwe ya so we go ta bi da wo mo nsu yam na dum mi committee fu no na na ye ho na big gota sisi abohwe be bi fu no wona first na su to fon kofo sisi da di yan die na we twa abohwe PPAD and then also ma some big go to be other wo this is the same problem na abohwe last 4 years so far ma ho wa to yan so far on by the man no buy no say so far kofo bi a mo after say so me a ye wo come bi da wo mo na say be cars apapa the drivers what ties be the so na me problem ho mo so me good ma solve that problem no say the make me easy no say me can ya achewa adibesa nti manfo no wo hwe the mezi no nam face ya na mko na mbom ho mo den no na so dey was na to am di biom this year mezi ndi magudu am ya den mezi wie mo no baby ad me nyim this year me ho ka say menya China for Yamnadma was more. Was about Bas State Ritual? Me AMC, Minako Yon Yakasa, 1 or 2 meters a basis more was State Ritual.
All right, yes, maybe said, Yesha, Ayabra, sanitation, Ayahoto, CC, Abbey, Sanitation.
Oh, sanitation. Bebano, first a season, before both a former MP, not current MP. I come in Yapon, no number Barbara HAC. Me and your free by business go mammo. Now, this year, why the sanitation, new government obey, or yet every month be a them sanitation. By association, so no, I know Okama, but it's why that Mukano or Fuma, this year, the mother of a side and what about you?
All right, so Mr. Costa TV, Yashi, Mr. Fund Community Connect. I think I could pay do Oyabakazi. I don't pay that Abra, Yamu feed that yerbe, when you want to Yabra.
Oh, me, Papa, because Abra more issue. Name actually be other some issues of Abraham when I'm looking at some lady and the child.
And say Yamu feed and Yaba issues soon unable to know from the feet Yaka. Now, Mum sister about footing at the moment, and down a pay to me.
Especially in America, we free. Our procession. First, they were no, then found a Camino, Ados Abraham. By a procession, the camera and up from Baka, but still, as well as no than one hour harm. It's a Macachim committee from there. Sebu, what's young fun, some is not to cut a you talk on some cutting your name. You see, my Yakodaban, I want to put 2 years the year play. You see, I was someone, Sebu being an annum. Na opinion that is what we ma one could not do not koda me mo koma ba ebe na mpo wo ba na be de be bezi fa so ho nti ba de wa se fi de ba na ncheche mo de cheche bia na za to mu ba flaga for so issue kaka ho mu e ba gege e abro position won yon boa at least this year was 20 wo afa economy no nti at least the person you could go be mu no that mo and the wonya mu asem wo perfect no ato anyu the other home it's no so I am daddy on the home papa it's if that eba you be no come back on
Opening pa yakotie na no asemi Honorable Moses Arthur ono na mpempren oye assemblyman ema asimu kwantado electoral area yeto aya proboso no na yene Honorable Abdul Wahab Said oye former assemblyman ema atifi eyifua electoral area sanso ye secretary anasa o man church for ema abra na yene no etwetwe nkomo ebisa no se oncheche ye kwan a omanfo no efa so a wanse ahonidie omabomodin ase edimu ekoso ewo abra no eno nso obomodin ede nsam bi eto eja yenko na yenkotie bi
aha no fa wa yen ogina nananom na assembly members in committee ɛyɛ na yɛka hia ho bom ɔnam dɛ ewura ɔba ya ba car kwam hɔ nam car kwam ehunu ewura no ɔba hɔ nti hena na yɛhyia mu a yɛfa ho adwene dɛ no sɛ yɛanhwɛ na yɛamfa nhyehyɛ pa amɔbɔ adze a aha ɔbɛn kwam ntabɛte no kwanare ɔnsɛm fata na ɔbɛsɛ ekuo ne din nti yɛka hia ho bom na yɛka hia ho bom dwuma a yɛdzi yan dɛ ewura na wogu ha no yɛpɛ dɛ yɛdze ma borɔfo mo fa no polluter pay system na nan dɛ the aspect of polluter pay system a yɛ implement in yɛ pay and dump you pay you dump nti dam policy na yɛdze bɔbɔ adze no so dam abiri na zoom lion is in operation nti yɛbɔ Cape Coast Metropolitan Assembly yɛbɔ ho amendeɛ ɛna waste management for yɛbɔ ho amendeɛ zoom lion fo wɔn nyinaa wɔba ha ma yɛtena ase wɔbɛsa hɛn vision na ɛkyerɛ ho hɛn vision no ɔno yɛ masisi wo hunu hɛ a nnɛ bi wɔretwe na yi dɛ yɛhwɛ ne yɛyɛ ndɛm no na yɛmɛ ayɛ adom ma yɛtumi yɛ control kyɛnkyɛn nkorɔfo wɔba obi gyina hɛ ara ɔde no sa na wɔahwi ewura no wɔahwi bade na wɔba wotum wɔba ɔbɔfo adze na wɔdze gum adze na ebutua scan sana ɛdɛ kugum nti mo ti biara ama ma afi ewuragu no brɔfo bɛse wɔayɛ no responsibly na afi aboɔ so ma ahatew nka ne na dodo a wozira sisi nkyɛ wɔnyima hate but nnɛ gyina ha ara na ba wɔyɛ ba wɔ hɛro nso on sɛ hwee yo nti da me hyehyɛ ne yɛbɔ adze a wɔama ma yɛnya resources a yɛtum yɛde tua nkrɔfo ka yɛmpɛ baasa na yɛtua ho ka wɔ ha ebi wɔ hɔ ɔdze wura baba na ontum mmar papa ɔde yɛnya tenant bi wɔ ha ɔma ewura no do obi wɔ hɔ ɔde ɔtena ha na wagye sika obi wɔ hɔ a ɔde ɔpaapra yanam yidu ya fa nkrɔfo me baasa state mi nazum line yɛ ha bio nti ho na wɔpra state mi nyinaa wɔde kɔ abebiara ɛna ya fa baasa so a ebinim nkyɛnkyɛn na wɔde ne me na wɔde wura wɔde hyɛ beebi na so ya fa nkrɔfo baasa no so wɔre monitor eti nana kwadwa ade out today bien ahina wɔ kurom ha ɔno ne mpanyimfo nyina assembly members no yin committee member ahina yɛka hia ho bom a yɛdze dam pay and dump system yɛdze abɔbɔ adza na ihu dɛ aha ayɛ once yɛ sɔre putipuru nara na yɛyɛ yɛfa adwene ne nyaa wie a ɔde yɛbɔ amanfo nyaa amanzie na dam abere na amanfo nara wuhuma ahate nti ina so ibia ɔmane bira ayɛ akada yɛ communal labor attendance on koyi nti yɛken de o ebe ebitua bibi kakra na ɔno na wɔdze bɛyitiesie ha ma ha wɔatew ama hen amanfo wɔte ase de ahoara na obogura no ahoara so na obotua nti na ɔno an pay and dump nara nti wɔte ase ntantam meka de 2024 yɛrɛbɛto abɛdum no po hempanyimfo na original abato no po kor ɔbɛde nkyɛ ebi a nkyɛ ma yinzi de modwuma ɔte dam ɛso ɛdɔm nara dɛm abere no ho no po ahopo wanyi na ayɛ adwene ma dwumadi ɔkorɔ daa de bisisi ara oguro koro nti amanfo na wɔgyitum ade biara amanfo wɔgyitum no ɔyɛ adwuma nti very well sɛ nna bi a yɛgyina ha sɛ wɔhwɛ ha obi hu dɛ aha sɛ obi anka nkyerɛ sɛ container wɔ sɛ ha ihu dɛ hapo wogura wɔ ha na ha yɛ pɛpɛɛpɛ nti ma yɛte bɔbɔ ade nara na wɔaso abai
Coastal TV kasi boy maker we say a chagu ewo digital channel no so 514 Facebook and YouTube nyina afi yetwa kasi no eso sani ebeya impuntuo ebeba mfimfin mantem na oman no anase region no efa ne ntuma pa efra ne ntino mpanyifo akukuda maika bi eyeye omo omutimi edi omanfo anim ema mpuntuo eba no ede nsem bi atudwa mprempre yara EC former EC boss Mame Charlotte Osei enso ede asem bi atudwa mepese ebekọ ne yakwakotie bi ebeba sese a
work closely with them and see how we can help them bring investment and development projects to the central region. And so our local entrepreneurs, we're urging you to please take this opportunity. Let's all collaborate. I think we do too much competition. I would say let's do more collaboration than competition. And what one person cannot do, three can do it easier. So if you need capital of, let's say, $200,000, You may not be able to raise it by yourself, but you may be able to collaborate with other people who can raise the capital and you bring in the sweat equity and do the legwork. So there are so many ways of partnering with others to make development happen. I also think that we should talk about the role of government. The government, yes, has a pivotal role to play, and we can see that the government agencies are working. Government has been very focused on infrastructure through the big push, and we can all see the progress of the work on the Accra Cape Coast Road. And I can tell you that when that road is completed, the central region is going to be the hottest region in this country, because the proximity to Accra and the ease of movement of people and goods. Property, if you don't have land in the central region, this is a good time to buy because property prices are going to really jump up. So the big push, the 24-hour economy, the recent tax reforms where we have some relief through VAT and abolishment of nuisance taxes, all this creates a very good environment for investment. And I think we need to take advantage of it. Kwame has started the special economic zone. Rather than looking for land to buy and struggle on your own, you can go have a chat with him and see how you can fit your investment project into that special economic zone. And I'm sure that being a special economic zone, there'll be tax breaks and tax reliefs. So that makes it even better. So we do know that bureaucratic hurdles can stifle even the most promising ventures, but we all have to work relentlessly to remove them. And I'm glad that government has taken some steps in the right direction. So distinguished ladies and gentlemen, and those of us from the central region, I just want to say that we're on the cusp of a new era of prosperity. Our region is actually being unlocked through all the infrastructure going on. The opportunities are immense, the potential is undeniable, and the will to succeed is palpable. But we can only unlock this potential if we work together. So let us, the chiefs, the people, the government, and the investors, let's join hands in a spirit of partnership and collaboration. And let us create a central region that is the beacon of investment, a hub of innovation, and a land of opportunity for all its people. Thank you.
Na sa oman no ebetu mpon ana ese fata se omanfo a ewo oman ni mu no obi a benya ejuma aye ama ne ho ato no ne sa nti na honorable Obin Kwame Asari a yabone mrane efra no A+ oye mrahye bedwani ema Gomwa Central ono nso ede nsem bia todwa osusu se sa yabomodin na se yesom na se ejina ebeboa ema mpuntuo aba mfimfin mantam
Ije da ya ye dem ye dem to me and ha ye be nyina ye be chere most ma ye botum de eduma up central region na kuma wodi e ba no so na infrastructure a wo benya ya be chere the central region no raw materials no wa ya chere the you to kwan for China you cover tiles you cover sink na ye neba. But a champion see Sopon ceramics war higher. Sopon ceramics no produce them yamania. And we are what they produce them yamanoya clean if you walk. Nancy Echo Gumam Pumama, Chinese food basic company of the 5 continents break factory. Was a clean war, no dire breaks. Coco, yeah, what is dying? Where breaks now? What can be organ or export? With the factory nest. When I tell one water channel to when they were clear what they breaks now obey in the central region, you want to be juice factory, a coffee juice now. Abrobe more the central region, Hano. It's a queen ya be free what of putting the way in Yuma. It's in a yen, ye develop a dire friend the more central special economic zone. Zone Numan, yes, the biggest free zones industrial city over the whole Africa. Some of the biggest industrial cities, you have 2,000 acres. We are building on 21,000 acres. We are building something for generations. You have Ghana, you 2 year popia or baby, no produce baby no. Although to na produce or Ghana. It's about Chinese who produce raw material. No what do China. Who could produce for China. No where shape if China or the big Africa. No send the big for Europe, no the big for America. But if you're central region, we are here done. Say raw material now ha on the Chinese company in Mumbai ha we produce wɔ ha yi a slave trade time no eba ntina no wɔ ship nyama fi central region ha wɔde kɔ America na Caribbean osan dɛ na ofi ha kɔ no ɔyɛ short ofi ha kɔ Europe ɔyɛ short if you ha na kɔ Washington and Asia nsua straight to Washington the man na kɔ Brazil a ɔte nti no na ne ho behia dɛ sɛ yɛwɔ big industrial park wɔ ha yɛsan so yɛsi port wɔ ha a yɛbɛ manufacture wɔ ha yɛde Chinese companies na bɛba ha wɔ produce wɔ ha na yɛaship outside edwuma bɛba ɛma no do aba nipa bebree mfa so yɛn ebibifo so yɛsi bibi te dɛ Dubai a ɔbɛyɛ yie ɔyɛ akɔfo bebree bisam dɛ dɛdɛma de a mopɛ dɛ moyɛ ɔbɛyɛ yie anyɛ yie a police na nkyerɛ yɛn start dɛ yɛyɛ bie sɛ yɛn kɔ yɛn ntumi nwie a mba abɔtoa so ayɛ ma ayɛ kama.
Esane se mpuntuo eye bibi a eho hia nti na ebehia se nananom enso do oma no ebetum na omo nso aka ama mpuntuo aba omo kro so ne santi na Central Regional House of Chiefs ohin kese a odi omanim oye odefo amoakwa buodu a otoso nwotwe ono so de nanu atum bi se ebeye se abemu mpanyimfo ebedi omobosha omudi ehye mfimfin mantam eso yina yenim se abandada etwam ehye bosa anka obesi airport e de ama mfimfin mantam sisese ameno kase no airport no yense ho hwe.
MP was talking about port. I'm talking about airport. Don't we need an airport? Goods that are being transferred from South America to Europe may be flying through our skies. We are the center of the world. There's a plan for airports for Central Region. What has happened to the plan? Wherever the plan is, we have to go for it. Wherever the plan is, we have to implement it. If you go to Morocco, they are manufacturing aircraft parts. Why can't we have this airport to manufacture parts, to do maintenance for aircrafts, to become a warehouse, big warehouse for big major international companies? So as our man goes for port, I'll also be championing the airport. And I think we need that. We should also see chiefs as partners. We shouldn't see chiefs as competitors.
Busua etwabu ewo Coastal TV Digital Channel 514 eso yebekọ ni akwaje aboafo nkrato yebesan basesi a
Mido, Ghana Biana. Ogo fa jebi bi aba besu en fita no pa e say baby she. Manga shi.
Junior!
I'm saying so enough for me be there no.
Sister Coach pa. Ain't you need gas?
I'm used to it why. Why?
Down yankana wa.
Ah, Sister Coach. Use gas. Gas ye fast, ye easy, ye convenient.
LPG, let me see your hand. Who I got?
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. you call on us and we will deliver. Thank you.
Yetwa kasebono eso na yekwa Western region eho na takrade ahanta aguna nkwanta ekwan a akoba ne se ewose aban ebiemu na cars no ebietimi akobenkum na ebietimi akonifa no aban abomode ama sikabotin a ye $78 million odi ama contractor no se onhwe na oma sa akwan no omunye na omunye niye wosanso de sa akwan na so ahye big push agenda no ase ananka ye bibi anka wose ye bo aban abaso esanse wayade papa nanso no takrade mrahye bedwonim owura kwabna ochredako mensa ababonten ababeka se wei enya ade a wose ye bo aban abaso esanse kwan no eye bibi aban dada wetwam eye omampani akufuado one na ban ehye ase dadada ansampo na Omampenyi Mahama eba betina ekonwa no so nti sa baso bodie bi wo ho a e wose ye hwe ne ye de ma omampenyi dada akufuado one naban
Abuna contact to takwado ye big push project and na akufuado the project Marakobi the regional minister Mr. Bolaisi Maso na biditini do kwede when you the mood in Fama West region na aban oye ne budgeter the wadi be referring medium term expenditure framework. Only the Minister for Finance or sign commencement certificate for any project. That work is about budget. It's about code, about what so about the minister can contract of which only tina yen to the your mama or yet today may big push or big push on Jessica or a green book or open away what's wrong. None of the projects why we will be now idea. Shit. Entire day would do a big theft or a big push. Because kind of reach you can feed your mom and kotokum. Araza, feed kotokum. Intino, what you make a chain was said. Because time or year Kotoka International Airport Terminal 3 project in your mama was started. Or yet only 27%. When she city, I mean as deputy minister, let me supervise them project. They get 73% and we paid for it. Then we had $275 million. Don't you find $275 million of from the compare of any Takai Jabna contact 78 million. As I say, only right. Be a robber and now not they deceive Ghana for NDC for the Jomama only road. In fact, now Lombe no road why 70% already. And yet 23%. The maso now other projects are or Ghana, or now the project or start all year, or claim the face of. But you're right.
Wasemia ho na Western Regional Minister Ora Joseph Nelson ono so edi muaya aba se enya ne ehia ni o enya ne ehia ni ne ehia ne se omanfo no enya kwan papa omudi bedi omudwuma se MPP aban na start ye se NDC aban na start ye de enya wei ene ehia
na some no recap for them kwan no na bi opeda amanfo tsedenze keke no so were around, but really I don't think that there's any real point bia no pedo make, because in some other candidate we need to one, nobody has disputed the project was started by the NPP administration. Nobody has disputed that. Obia makanda mansem amemen kan obia NDC bia kwakana wo bebia asema ye kan dey edwuma wadama just more don ya no wa mani sidipo na NDC abane bay onam dey kwan no ho won fasoma amanfo na His Excellency pede kwan no contract ni wie ni tensi or the project na akwahye big push and at present na no obey onam the project na akwahye big push nti why instruct the finance minister to pay the contractor about $78 million or yeah a cost of the project as I'm making. Is it ma takra de empirical niti na na wan sabi mu more patche the wa bana ma contract when TSC depo ama contractor na de na ho de na sky aban foforo aba aban no say project ni ho hia ntimeda a shape push wan so hara wa instruct finance minister do release the scammer contractor make us say me sure the contractor no nisa kaniska obohwe ma adwuma nka ya wa aka no wetum na wa ye nti what is the point really takra the MP what was his issue because in some hurricane sabi in period as some who niti na who how relevant that point is because obi anyi about who started that project obi anyi Mumada na nchame
Owe no eno san ede to aso na obo manfo kokose se wo bi wo container ana wo kiosk esi takrade Cape Coast ekwan no ho na akoba ne se e wose ye bie kwan ni mu abomoden na koyi wo kiosk ana wo container no fafiri ekwan no ho sa wotina ha na se bambo adwumayefo ebebubu kiosk no ana se wo container no a ene nya obi ene ekumentwi Abusanfo ebebo modena yede nene no anase video no ede abremu na emume ha na ebegina ne yede kasebo ewiadon Coastal TV kasebo no yede aba na wieye asida kese enkoma National Petroleum Authority omo any diesel gift shop na aso yasen ama wieye timede kasebo no ede abrewo me amidi anim midin ede AFIBA ESSIEN yebesan hye biem koso anahwe Coastal TV